This is Sam Peach with Scalable Display Technologies. We are at InfoComm 2026 and we are showing off Scalable Atlas, our automatic projection mapping technology. Scalable Atlas uses a camera to not only set up multi-projector systems of any geometry, but also maintain them over time. By recreating projector positions and the 3D model in 3D space, we're able to identify exactly where each pixel should land on the model, and we're able to recalibrate that within 30 seconds per projector, maintaining perfect image quality over time so that eyes on always have the best experience. It doesn't take much to make projectors come out of alignment. When you have a scalable camera and software, you know that you can go into every single day with the confidence that your end customer, your clients will have an amazing experience. If you'd like to learn more about Scalable Display Technologies, you can reach out to us on our website, scalabledisplay.com. We just revamped it. It's worth checking out if you've seen it before. And if you'd like to give us a call at the office, you can always reach us at 617-864-9300.